Havlik Park and we've came to see the castle. I've been wanting to see this for days and days.
Wow.
I loved this castle so much. It would look better with the water in it though. But it's awesome. And I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you can see any of my new videos I post. Bye!